In this tutorial, I'll show you how to text reveal effect in Canva. We're going to create a clean, modern text reveal animation using simple elements in Canva's built-in animation tools. This works great for intros, social media posts, or any video where you want your text to appear in a smooth, professional way. First, make a video canvas. From the Canva homepage, go to the video section and choose a video size. You can pick a standard format like 1920 by 1080 or just click on a ready-made video template size. The important thing is that you're working inside a video canvas, not a static design, so we can animate everything later. Next, prepare your video or image on the canvas. If you already have a video clip you want to use as the background, click on Uploads, bring in your video, then drag it onto the canvas so it fills the screen. If you prefer an image, you can upload your own image or use a stock image from Canva by searching in the Photos tab. Resize it so it covers the full canvas. This will be the background behind your text reveal effect. Now add the line element. Go to Elements on the left-hand side and in the search bar type line. Choose a simple straight line, nothing too decorative. Drag it onto your canvas. Adjust the length by clicking and dragging the ends of the line so it's long enough to cover the width of the text you plan to reveal. Then adjust the width or thickness of the line from the top toolbar so it looks bold enough to clearly hide and reveal the text. Place it roughly where you want your text reveal to happen, usually across the middle or near the center. From here, animate the line. With the line selected, click on Animate in the top toolbar. Under the line or element animations, choose the wipe animation. Set the speed to fast so the line wipes across quickly and feels snappy. Then make sure you choose the option that applies the animation to both, meaning both the entrance and the exit. Turn on reverse for the exit animation so the line wipes on in one direction and wipes off in the opposite direction. This gives you a clean in and out motion that helps reveal the text smoothly. Next, duplicate the line. With the line still selected, use the duplicate button or press copy and paste. Now rotate this new line to the other side using the rotate handle. You can position it so the two lines are mirrored or form a box-like motion around where your text will appear. Keep the second line aligned with the first so the motion looks clean. The animations you set on the first line will usually carry over to the duplicated one, so both lines will use the same wipe effect. Now add your text. Click on Text from the left panel and choose a heading or add a simple text box. Type in the text you want to reveal, such as a title, name, or short phrase. Move the text so it sits in the path of the lines, usually centered between or under them depending on the style you want. Adjust the font, size, and color so it stands out clearly against the background and works well with the line color. Next, animate the text. With your text selected, click Animate again. This time under Text Animations, choose Ascend. This makes the text rise into view in a clean, modern way. Set the animation to apply to both, so it has an entrance and an exit animation. Turn on Reverse for the exit animation so the text leaves in the opposite way it came in. This matches the motion of the lines and creates a polished text reveal effect. Now adjust the timing. At the bottom of the screen, open the timeline if it is not visible. Click on each element and check the duration and delay. You want the line wipe to start slightly before the text descends so the line moves in, and as it moves, the text appears behind it. Then the exit animation should line up so the text disappears as the lines wipe away. Use the timing controls to drag and sync these animations until the motion feels smooth and natural. Finally, duplicate the page and cut to add the tricks. Right-click the page in the timeline and choose Duplicate Page. On the new page, you can change the text, adjust the lines, or swap the background to create a second text reveal with the same effect. You can trim the length of each page or cut the clips so each reveal is short and punchy. This is how you build a sequence of text reveals inside one Canva video. When you're happy with everything, play it back to check the motion, then export your design as a video. That's how you create a smooth text reveal effect in Canva.